What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly easy way you can start making money from home this week, even if you're brand new and you've never done anything like this before. Now, what I'm going to share with you in this video is an incredibly simple opportunity that I came across a few years ago that has been allowing me to generate as much as $2,000 per day. Now, I remember just a few short years ago when I was still slaving away as a waiter working at a restaurant called Chili's. I had just dropped out of college. And if you were to tell me back then that I could be making $2,000 working about 30 minutes a day, even from the beach, I would have just laughed at you and said you were crazy. But using the right strategies and the right vehicle, this opportunity that you're going to discover in just a second, it's been incredibly possible. But not just for me, from people from around the world. Many people had never done anything like this before. They stumbled across one of my YouTube videos. They went to the link under that video. They made a decision and got started. And in a very short period of time, many of them reported sales even within the very first week. And sales is how we actually get paid, which I'll share in just a second. Okay, so you can see the results on the screen. 7:54 p.m. $1,000 payment came in, and then yesterday $2,000. Now the beautiful thing about this opportunity is one payment, one referral can make you as much as $1,000, right? It can make you as much as $2,000. Maybe you've been researching YouTube videos and you've come across things like you can do surveys and you can do, try to watch videos to make money. The problem is you have to watch an ungodly amount of videos and you have to do a dramatic an incredibly insane amount of surveys to even make a few $100. With this, very, very simply, you can start to change your life. Now, what I want to cut to real quick is a video of just some of the experiences that I've been able to have recently as I've been exploring Brazil. I was originally from the United States. I was living in Texas. And over the last, months, I've been able to travel all over Brazil, go to beautiful beaches, beautiful parties, and meet some incredible people just while this business is running in the background. Now, the beautiful thing about this business, again, is the lifestyle, right? So as I scroll, this right here was in a place called Florianopolis, Brazil. Okay, they have a lot of Americans that live there as well. And I was sipping a coconut, and that day I was still able to generate income. Okay, I want to scroll down. These are some pictures. Okay, this was in Floripa right here. The beautiful thing is once you apply what's on my website, you can literally work about 30 minutes a day. Okay, you wake up. This was actually in Floripa, Florianopolis, Brazil as well. You can see the palm trees in the background. Absolutely beautiful day right there. And again, the beautiful thing is what I literally do is I wake up, I open up my laptop, which you can use a smartphone. Some days I use my smartphone. I do about 30 minutes a day. What am I doing? I'm copy and pasting ads on social media. Okay, so this opportunity gives you advertisements. You post those on Facebook, on Instagram. People respond to those ads, and all we do is we direct them to our link. Our website that you get access to when you join does all the telling, all the selling for you. Okay, so again, you post these ads, people respond, and when they decide to buy, when they make a purchase, you're able to receive instant 100% commissions. Okay, you can get that money through PayPal, through Cash App, through Zelle, however you want to get that money. Just imagine what it's going to be like, right? To be on your ideal vacation spot, maybe hanging out with your loved ones, maybe a spouse, maybe a partner, and you hear a ding on your phone, you look in your email inbox and you see congratulations, you just earned money, right? What would that feel like to be able to literally just do the things you want to do with the people you love doing it with and still be getting paid, right? That's the beautiful thing. So when you go to my website, profitwithgarrett.com, there's going to be a link or button below this video. You'll get taken to my website. This is a free application. All you have to do is fill out about 3 questions. Okay, do you have a smartphone, laptop, or computer? Yes. Okay, monthly goals. Go through these simple questions, and if you qualify, okay, put your best email in so I can share with you private information on exactly how to get started in earning your first payment within your very first week. Okay, we have people, many people reporting doing this, and then you'll get plugged into our private Facebook community. We have 7,800 members at the time of recording this. Many people that are incredibly helpful answering your questions, getting your questions answered so you know exactly what to do. Okay, so I hope you got tremendous value. I hope you're inspired. Okay, remember, I was just a broke waiter a few years ago. I had never done anything like this before, but I came across the video on YouTube one time of this guy. He shared with me a secret formula, the same one I'm sharing with you right now. I was a little bit hesitant. I was a little bit skeptical, but I realized that if nothing changes, nothing changes. I needed to make a new decision. I needed to get started. And I went to the link under that video. I went to his website. I looked it over. I saw the testimonials. I saw the information. I made that decision. I joined as high up as I could. I remember I charged a credit card at the time. I couldn't even afford it. I went all in, okay, at the level that I could. And in a very short period of time, about 30 days, I was able to quit my job as a waiter and go full time from home. Okay, it's not too good to be true. We have tons and tons of success stories. Go down below, fill out this application, get started, and I look forward to seeing you at the top, my friend. Take care, and I'll talk soon.